Hello, I'm Salih and today I will show you how to fix fingerprint not working. First go to Start and search for Device Manager. Click Biometric Device. Update drive. Choose the first option. If it is still not working, then uninstall it. Click Action. Choose the first option. Then restart your computer. If it's still not working, then let's go the second option. Search for Run and open it. Write services.msc. Search for Credential Manager and double-click it. Press Stop. Press Start. Press OK and restart your computer. And your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.